How to add international contact phone number on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will learn how we can add international contacts phone number on WhatsApp. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, launch your WhatsApp application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. So in order to save the international contact phone number, tap on this plus icon on the interface at the bottom right corner and here tap on new contact. Once you land on this page, here you have to enter all of the necessary information that you have. So for that, first of all, enter your first name, your last name. You have to enter your country code along with your phone number. So if you wish to add international contact phone number, first of all select your country, and with that the country code also will be added, and on next to that you have to add the phone number. Make sure that you enter the correct international phone number. Under that there is a drop down for the location where you want to save your file on. So select your preferred location or preferred account from here. Enter your first name, your last name, your international phone number with your country code, and then the location. Once done, simply tap on save. And that's how you can add the international contact phone number on WhatsApp. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing.